Ramps.
Ramps.
Look at this. We have
Ramps.
wild ramps, and it's a really short season for wild ramps. And
And I think another member of the allium family.
is it?
It is. It's
Wow.
a relative to the onion.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, sometimes they'll call it a wild leek. Many people say there's a little bit like an onion, a little bit garlic flavor to it. But I think it tastes like a ramp. My very own self
I had
here.
never heard of it until yesterday.
Yeah.
Isn't that
Well, we need
amazing?
to ramp up your plant.
Oh, so true.
So, you know, ramps grow very, very well up in the Appalachian as you go out to western Maryland, through West Virginia, and all along the Appalachian, you know,
Trail.
corridor there. And forever, all the communities there have huge ramp festivals every year. I mean, really big. And this has been going on for like 100